Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox a gaming tower. This, the ASUS ROG Strix GL12. Okay, let's go. We're going to unbox this right now. First thing we have here, a whole bunch of stickers, keychain. This seems to be some cover for the casing. I'm sure it'll come in handy later. We have a power cable here, a mouse. This looks like a tray for your drive, screws, warranty card, and some other pieces of paper. Okay, let's go on. Look. This is the changeable, I guess, side panel. So if you're the kind who likes to see what goes on inside your computer, you can put this on the side panel. Oh, it also comes with a keyboard. How nice. I'm not sure what model it is. It just says backlit keyboard V2 at the back. Is this a mechanical keyboard? No, it's not, but it's not too bad. Oh, it's instruction manual for the keyboard. Not sure if anyone needs instruction manual for keyboard. Okay, and it doesn't seem like there's anything else in the box right now except for the system itself, so I'm going to take it out right now. Okay, so this is the ASUS ROG Strix GL12. There's a couple of configurations. The one that we have here is the top of the line one. I think if you come close, do a close-in, you can. Do you want to do a close-in? Yeah, sure. Comes with the new 8th generation 8700K processor, 64GB worth of RAM, pretty high-end 1080 graphics card, 512GB SSD, and a 2TB hard disk drive, rewritable DVD drive, and your networking stuff. So this is a pretty high-end system. Okay, so let's take a look at the front panel. Your power button is actually off to the side right here. And up front, what you have are USB ports, 4 of them, a card reader, and a headphone jack. This is your optical drive. And down here, you see this little space here. This is actually a hot swappable drive bay. So this is a drive tray, this is a drive bay. Yep. Goes in like this. So you take it out like this. So it's very easy for you to put in SSDs or things like that. What else do we have in front? Vents for cooling. And at the side, you can swap it for this. Just now, the panel that I showed you earlier. So you can see what's inside. Okay, let's take a look at the rear now. And the rear, we have even more ports. We have 8 USB ports here. These two are a bit special. These two are actually USB 3.1 Gen 2. So these support higher speeds of up to 10 Gbps. Down here you have Ethernet LAN port, your audio ports, and this is your graphics card. It looks like 2 display ports and 2 HDMI ports and a device connector. Your power supply is down here. Okay, right now we're gonna undo the side panel and see exactly what's inside this system. And the side panel comes off. What do we have here? Looks like it's using a micro ATX box, which is why the case can be so small. We have a bracket down here. This thing holds this graphics card in place, which is nice and handy because this is after all 1080, which is pretty big and heavy. Down here we can see, it uses a liquid cooler and it goes up to the radiator down here. And what else do we have? Oh, we have the memory. 4 sticks of memory here. 64GB in total, so that makes it 16GB per stick. Oh, this is a drive tray for the hot swappable thing in front. This is your optical drive. If you come in close, you can see the SSD right here. Oh, it's using a Samsung PCIe SSD. Well, that's about it. Well, we can see that it's quite clean and neat. The cabling is done really quite well. Everything is hidden away and routed around the back, so there isn't a lot of clutter in front, which is good. So that air can flow through and then you keep the whole system nice and cool. Right above the PSU here, there's actually another drive bay here where you can install another 2.5-inch form factor drive, so you can put another SSD here if you want. I don't see another free slot for M.2 SSD, so if you want another flash drive, this has got to be the way to go. Or of course you can use this the hot swappable drive bay right up in front as well. Okay, so let's take a look on the other side. As you can see, the cable, all the cabling has been routed very neatly and secured in place with cable ties. And down here we can see that there is a hard drive enclosure for two 3.5-inch drives. One of them is already taken up by the 2 TB drive that comes along with this system, but there's another drive bay that's still free that you can put another drive of your choice. The entire system has been neatly packaged together. Cabling is very well done, and there is special slots for more drives, so that's all very nice and good. Right now we're going to power this system up to see how it performs. At $3,998, the ROG Strix GL12 is not cheap. But if you think about it and compare it with the cost of assembling your own system, it actually works out to be about the same. So in that regard, this system is actually quite good value for money. And the best thing about it is if something goes wrong, you can just bring it to ASUS, as opposed to having to troubleshoot to find out what component has gone wrong and having to go down to the individual stores to sort everything out. And that's the ASUS ROG Strix GL12. It comes in a nice compact layer package. The cable management, everything is all great, and there's a good amount of expandability for you. And I like that it also comes with keyboard and mouse, so you don't need to get a monitor. If you have a TV, like what I have here, you can just hook it up to your TV and you're good to go. And that's all we have for you today. Please join us in the next unboxing video. Bye bye.